Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually turn off the autoplay function on YouTube. You know, when you finish playing certain video and YouTube is start playing another one automatically. A lot of people don't like this, including myself. So let me show you how you can actually turn this off. The first thing you want to do when you launch the YouTube app is to go on the lower right corner and click on your small profile picture. When you're at your landing page on your profile on YouTube, you want to go ahead and hit the gear icon at the top right corner. When you're over here at your settings, you want to make sure that you scroll down to the fourth option of the settings, which is autoplay. When you click on this, you will have the option essentially to turn the autoplay on and off, and you will have the option only to do so on mobile device or on tablet. For having this turned off on the actual desktop, you have to go on your desktop device and follow the steps, and you will have the option to do it on desktop as well. Because currently we're using the mobile version, the app version on the iPhone. This is what appears to be the solution and decision. You have to click this on if you want to have the autoplay on, and you have to click this off if you want to have the autoplay function off. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.